Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA MX532 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX532 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain that says Canon support for PIXMA MX532. Open that up. You should see a picture of the printer over here on the side. And if you scroll down underneath software and drivers, go ahead and expand that. And then scrolling down, you want to locate the item that says My Printer. Select download for that. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and then you can close out of the web browser. You will need to proceed with the installation of this utility. Select the appropriate country and region, as well as destination folder, and then select finish to get that process started. And then we can create a shortcut on our desktop, select complete. And if for some reason, if you're still having a problem, you can open up that utility and select diagnose and repair printer, and then walk through the on-screen prompts of getting that configured appropriately to your device, and you should be good to go. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.